all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle. What's up, guys? So today is Saturday morning. It's about 8 o'clock right now. I have to go do a couple errands really quick for my family, and then we're going to be headed out to go pick up some 360 that I bought during the Black Friday sale. So yeah, so we're going to do that, and then I think afterwards we're going to go do some exhaust stuff. So that's going to be fun. And also, guys, the Type R review came out yesterday. And dude, you guys are really liking it. It's already it's pretty much almost at 400 views already. And that's insane. It went up yesterday at 12 o'clock and it's almost at 400 views. You guys are awesome. You guys are the real MVP. High five. Alright, guys, so, and another thing that we discussed on the Type R review is I need a suction cup. But I forgot that I actually have one because I used to have a little camera that I would attach to just, you know, to drive. So I can probably put this camera on this and, you know, I just have to flip it around. So, hey, you never know. I'm going to have to test that out one of these days. So, yeah. So let's get on with the day, guys.
Continue on to R215 North.
In high school, you was the man, homie. What the fuck happened to you? I'm just saying, homie. Now you smoking black and mouse. This is the story of a girl who cried around the whole world. And she was so sad and from the ground. That's another when she smiled.
So I made it here in Baldwin Park at Auto Detail Supply Outlet, and I'm gonna pick up a foam gun like I told you guys earlier, and some soap and some other detail products because I need some more. So yeah, so I'm not gonna take my camera inside just because Akari, Chameleon, Grace, notice here that I really can pull out the camera with and vlog with. So I'm just gonna go inside real quick and I'm gonna grab my stuff and I'll show you guys, and then we'll be headed back home. Alright, guys, so I just got back and I got a foam gun, which I will show you guys later, but it's exactly like the one that we use at Vegas house. I got some, if I can grab them, I got some 10X and then some Foam-All, which is an interior cleaner, which I'm trying to show. And then I got a big gallon of the foam cannon soap. So yeah, it's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be just like when we're at Vegas washing our cars. So speaking of Vegas, he just called me. But yeah, so let's go home because we got some stuff to do with the exhaust.
It's time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same. You're the blame. Hey there, Delilah, would be good, and don't you miss me? 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do.
So I just got home and I just want to show you guys real quick my little stash of 360. I think it's coming along really well. I can't wait to use my foam gun, which I think if I don't use it today, most likely tomorrow morning, so I can show you guys that. But yeah, let me show you my little stash. So I got pretty much almost all the products here. Well, you know what? I think I pretty much have all of them right now, besides like the air freshener. So, like I showed you guys, I picked up the 10X, the Foam-All, and then I also have the famous Brazilian Mist, which is a spray detail. I have the tire shine in a gallon. I have the foam cannon out for my foam gun, and then yeah, so pretty much everything. But for now, I'm just gonna wait until my friend Daniel comes over, and then we're gonna go see about switching our exhaust. Guys, so I came up to my room real quick to put my computer away, and also I don't think I've ever showed you guys that I have like 2 NRG seats just sitting in my room, because I was gonna use them, but thinking about going a different route. But my friend Daniel was actually thinking of trading me his Buddy Club short shifter for one. But so he's gonna come over today, and then we're gonna go to the exhaust shop, like I told you guys, and he's gonna see if he fits in it, so that way we can do a straight trade. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think he will, because I'm pretty snug in this, to be honest. Like, it fits me good on the hips and on the shoulders, but I'm snug. So we'll see about him because we are kind of different in size. So we'll see. The Ricer's here. Ricer. What's up, Hub?
What's up, boy?
You brought me a bang? So you're gonna try out the seat? Try it out. I fit so snug in it. So, oh, what? That you're gonna try that out the seat?
Yeah.
I already told them. So just sit in it.
That's sad.
Cause you don't want people to see if you don't fit. Just try it.
No, I'm good.
Guys, so we traded the NRG seat for a Buddy Club short shifter. What do you guys think? Oh, and the Acuity bushings. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
So yeah, we're gonna be doing an install on this later. So this is gonna be the last start with the N1. And it's gonna be a bittersweet moment, but I'm so ready to not have a loud ass exhaust. So, last start. That's loud. Even with the silencer on, guys, the N1 is just a loud exhaust, bro. Like, I'm so ready to have a nice normal exhaust now. Jeez. Alright guys, so I'm here at Espinosa's muffler shop here in Moreno Valley. It's really close to me, so that's really a good thing. And it's finally time to get rid of this N1, which I've been wanting to get rid of. And the reason for it is because now with all the mods on my car, I don't want to be loud anymore in the streets. So this is really going to work out for me. And shout out to Daniel for trading me exhaust tips. That's awesome. This is going to be the first start with the Q300 and I am excited, so let's hear it. Sounds better than a silencer rattling. Oh, smell that? Smell that E85?
Smells like corn.
Smells like cornflakes. Alright guys, so right now we had to fix an exhaust leak that was coming from the mid pipe. So now we're going to try it and it should be all good because there's no more leak. Sounds a lot better already. Yeah. Más mejor. Alright guys, so we're gonna get some tacos since we're really close to one of the good taco spots right here. So I'll catch up with you guys when I come back to the car. So for the last like an hour or two, we've been actually just chilling here at one of my friends that wraps cars. And we're over here with Taylor, which he's gonna be in the vlog later. I put up a picture on my status on my YouTube, and his car is what, Taylor? Explain to them what your car is.
Like everything?
Yeah, like what's the description that we're gonna call it? eBay built.
eBay built. eBay built.
Yeah, we'll show them later in another
I'll
vlog.
show you guys later.
What? That is loud. That smells a lot.
Bro, you should.
Send it. Yeah. That idle's crazy. So It's been a really long day. We've been just literally hanging out and doing some car shit. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride